Hello everyone, my today's topic is find the GCD. GCD is also called the HCF. GCD means the longest form of GCD is greatest common divisor. The other name of GCD is HCF. HCF means highest common factor. But both GCD and HCF is the same word, just the word is different, but finding the HCF and GCD is of same method. Before going to study the HCF or GCD, we must know the prime factors. In this class in 7th standard, there are two methods given. First method is prime factor method and second other method is division method. Today we will learn prime factors method. Therefore, we must know what are the prime factors. Let us study finding prime factors and finding GCD simultaneously with the examples. For find the HCF of 25 and 40. First, find prime factors of 25 and 40. To find the prime factors, we must write the number in vertical form. I will write here 25. This is the vertical arrangement of numbers for finding prime factors. अब ये प्राइम फैक्टर्स क्या होते हैं? जैसे 25 है, 25 व्हाट आर द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 25? डिवाइड 25 बाय एनी प्राइम नंबर. व्हाट आर द प्राइम नंबर्स? प्राइम नंबर्स आर 2, 3, 5, 7. हमें यहाँ पर जो है प्राइम नंबर के अलावा किसी भी नंबर से डिवाइड नहीं करना है. वी मस्ट डिवाइड हियर बाय ओनली प्राइम नंबर्स. व्हाट इज द डिवाइजर ऑफ 25? 25 इज divisible by 1, 5 and 25. But 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Therefore, we cannot divide here by 1. Then next number is 5. 5 is a prime number, but 25 is not a prime number. 25 is a composite number. Therefore, we must divide 25 by 5. Divide 25 by 5, you will get quotient again 5. Whatever is the quotient we get right below this dividend. Then this is our dividend. Then divide this number again by only prime number. 5 is also a prime number. Therefore, 5 is only divisible by 5. Therefore, divide 5 by 5. You will get quotient 1. These are the prime factors of 25. In this way, just find the prime factors of 40. Now 40 is divisible by 2, it is divisible by 4, it is divisible by 5, it is divisible by 10, 20, 40. Out of these numbers, only divide this number by prime number, and 2 is the prime number. We are not going to divide it by 10, 20, 40 because these numbers are composite numbers and our method is by prime factors method. Therefore, just divide whatever is the quotient we will get or the given number by only prime number. 40 is divisible by 2. After division, we will get the quotient 20. Write 20 here. Now our dividend is 20. Divide this 20 by again a prime number. 20 is divisible by 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Out of these numbers, select any prime number, then you can divide it by 5 also. By dividing 2, we will get 10. Then divide this 10 again by a prime number, and 10 is divisible by 2 and 5 and 10. But 10 is not prime number, therefore we will divide 10 by 2 or 5. By dividing 10, we will get 5. Divide 5 again by 5 is a prime number, therefore divide 5 by only 5 and we will get a quotient 1. Then write these number in the product form. 25 equals to, we divide 25 by 5 and 5, therefore the multiplication form of 20 is 5 into 5. Then 40, multiplication form of 40 is 2, 2, 2 and 5, means we should write 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Then underline the common factors. Now here 5 is the common factor. Write below this number common factors. Common factors we get here is only 5. Whatever the common factor we get, that is our GCD or HCF. Here only one common factor 5, therefore the HCF is 5. We will see the other example. In this example, we will get common factors more than one common factor. Let us study the second example. Second example, numbers are given 56 and 32. First write 56 in the vertical arrangement, 32 divide 56 by any prime number. आपको जो भी लगता है, जो प्राइम नंबर से आप डिवाइड करना चाहे उस डाउन नंबर से डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, नॉट ओनली ऑफ 2 से डिवाइड करने पर आपको 56 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट क्वोशंट 28. नाउ आवर डिवाइडेंड इज 28. डिवाइड 28 बाय एनी प्राइम नंबर. वी कैन डिवाइड इट बाय 2 से डिवाइड करने पर हमको मिलेगा इसमें 14. राइट 14 बिलो 28. देन डिवाइड 14 बाय एनी प्राइम नंबर which is divisible, by which 14 is divisible. तो 14 जो है यहाँ 2 से डिविजिबल है, 7 से डिविजिबल है. आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग बाय 2 we will get here quotient 7. 7 is itself is a prime number, therefore divide 7 by 7, we will get here 1. हमें जो है यहाँ पर 1 आने तक डिवाइड करते जाना है. 1 आने तक हमको डिवाइड करना है. देन बाय फॉलोइंग द सेम मेथड फैक्टराइज 32. 32 is divisible by 2. Small prime number. Just start from the small prime number. After division, we will get 16 here. The quotient 16. Write 16 below 32. Then divide 16 by 2 because 2 is the prime number and 16 is divisible by 2. We will get 8. Write 8 below 16. Then divide 8 by any prime number. 8 is divisible by again 2. You will get after division 4. Write 4 below 8. Then 4 is also divisible by 2. Therefore divide 4 by 2. You will get 2, and 2 is itself a prime number. Therefore 2 is only divisible by 2, and you will get 1. These are the prime factors of 56 and 32. Write these numbers in the product form. 56 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Then product form of 32 is 32 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. These are the prime factors of 56 and 32. Then underline the common factors. First 2 is common factor here. Second 2 is also common factor here. Third 2 is also common factor. Then write common factors in product form. 2, 2 and again 2. These 3 2's are here, are common factors. Therefore we write here in the multiplication form, in product form, 2 into 2 into 2. Multiply first 2 by these 2, we will get 4. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Therefore GCD is 8. Thank you.